Guys, I'm back, and all you need is a 17mm socket, wrench, or whatever to loosen this. Now it says engine oil, okay, and there's two bolts. There's a bolt on this side. It's not that one. It's the one with the arrow. Okay, make sure you get the right one. It's going to be this side right here, right, the one right next to the oil filter, right in front of the oil filter. Okay, so I already loosened it up. All you got to do, just open it up. Watch the oil fall out, and that's it. And just wait for it to drain, and after that you cap it back on. And for me, honestly, I don't put new washers in. At least the first couple, 1 or 2 oil changes I'm not going to. The oil's actually pretty dark. It's probably been at least 7,000-8,000 miles. Who knows, maybe 10. My stepson's car. Anyways, the oil filter came out pretty easy. I used the oil filter adapter socket. I'll show that to you. Looks like let's see, where is it? Oh, looks like this. That one. Okay. This is the cheap knockoff, and honestly it works better than the non-knockoff version. It's kind of beat up, but you know what? It works for my Toyota filters and also the Honda Civic oil filter, and always use OEM. At least that's what I recommend. It's worked out well. Just about done draining. Today I'm gonna use Castrol full synthetic 5W20 and probably some Lucas oil treatment in there as well. But also just got done with the manual transmission fluid. But that's how you do the oil change, guys. Just make sure you wear some gloves, have some eye protection in case the oil gets in your eyes. Again, this is for the 2012 Civic SI, as you can tell. So almost done, and that's it. That's how you do an oil change on it. You'll fill it up from the top right there. Okay, just make sure you have some kind of a funnel for the top. All right, thumbs up, guys. That wraps it up for the 2012 Honda Civic SI edition. Oil change. I also did the transmission fluid change. I'm gonna start her up, see how she runs. Should run like a dream. Now what I did, so for the ramps, okay, I found, so this driveway is kind of steep over here. So as it starts to steep off and elevate and angle, I'll put the ramps up so that the vehicle's pretty darn flat when it's on the ramps. And then I'll chalk the wheels. You guys got to make sure you chalk the wheels, okay? So before you do any type of transmission or engine fluid change, that's what you guys got to do, okay? So overall, this car's been pretty reliable, okay? It's been it's my stepson's car. Reliable vehicle, okay? It's got, like I said, I think it's got I don't know how many miles. It's got quite a bit. I think over 80,000 now, maybe 90,000 miles. It's still in pretty good shape. So the Honda Civic has 88,500 miles. Oh, Siri, shut up. Yeah, just did the oil change and the transmission fluid change on this vehicle. And it's the Civic SI edition. Pretty not fancy, okay? I mean, it looks nice, it's sporty. Definitely reliable vehicle, but other than that, nothing luxury about it. It's not even power seats, but it's my kid's car. It is a stick shift manual. The automatics are a lot more faster to service because you just pour it in from the top. But yeah, that's how it is. We're done. Give it a thumbs up.